The journal Science named this crop a war plant of the first order. When war and famine lay heavy hands on humanity, the question has always been raised, why is more of this plant not grown? Hey everybody, today we'll be talking about the Jerusalem artichoke. This could be one of the easiest plants you could possibly grow in your garden, and it's one of the most prolific plants with one of the highest yields of all plants. Historically, they say that an army marches on its stomach and they have to have food. Typically, when an army marched through a region, they would take all the food that was there. But something like the Jerusalem artichoke, if you hack these down right now, the tubers can stay in the ground, basically through the winter. And so you could have them in the ground. It's something that is very easy to just keep in the ground. They are super easy to grow and require almost no labor. Let's start with a bit of history. The Jerusalem artichoke wasn't actually indigenous to other places on planet Earth. It was brought to Europe before the potato. As the potato arrived, the importance of the Jerusalem artichoke faded. Many people think of things like the potato as the Irish potato, but the Irish had never heard of the potato before the explorers came to South America and ended up finding the potato in the South Americans. Originally from places like the Andes, even before they found that, they had found the Jerusalem artichoke. This plant is a tuber. It's not an artichoke like you've normally had, and it's not from Jerusalem either. It's called a Jerusalem artichoke because it may have somewhat the taste of an artichoke. It's actually believed that the Huron Native American tribes specifically ate the Jerusalem artichoke. In New England, it was historically eaten as a pottage, which is a thick stew. It can be eaten raw, steamed, roasted, caramelized, or boiled, made into something like a flour, or possibly rose posted for a coffee substitute. One of the reasons why the Jerusalem artichoke is such a great plant is because, apart from being easy to grow, it's also highly nutritious. The protein in Jerusalem artichokes has all the essential amino acids in the necessary proportions. The carbohydrate found in Jerusalem artichokes is undigestible to humans, but we have something in us that can metabolize them, and that is our good gut bacteria. It turns out that those who consume Jerusalem artichokes have bifidobacteria that takes the place of some of the bacteria in their gut, and this genus of bacteria is considered to be beneficial for our health.